Welcome on back to more Breath of Fire 4. This is part 3. Session number Twee, Trey. Quiet you. Yeah, where we left off, we got to Sinesta? No. Kyria? No. I don't remember. We're gonna go... Oh, yeah, we got to some cool... We did get to Sinesta. And we had to save the children. And now we're gonna go find this guy Marlock to find out more about who took Nina's sister away. Let's see. Where was it? Was it over? This guy. Hey, this house belongs to the magnificent what? You want to meet with Mr. Marlock? No way, forget it. He doesn't meet with anyone but his business partners. If you're not selling or buying something, he won't see you. If you insist, you're gonna have to go through me. Oh. Strong-looking fighter is a master of focus. It's playing goofy music. Let's see if I can blind him. He's yapping. Oh, he stunned me. What the heck? It looked like it just canceled my turn. Not like a paralyzer did. I'm playing this through GOG, which is kind of like Steam, is the PC edition of it. Okay, blind didn't work. Let's poison him. Oh. No, I'm destroying the town. I'm a monster. The best you got? Dang, he's immune. What if I just punch him in the head? Parry. Uh-oh. Here he goes. Oh. Decent. He's still just garky. Let's get a parry everything. Oh, there we go. Big hit. Second hit. Magic hit. I should have tried doing it in a different order. No! Working my combos better. What if I do something like this? Wind. Weak. Burn. Weak. Fire wind. Decent. Good. I'm just gonna hit him. It seems like just punching him is probably the strongest move. Yeah. Must have good magic resist. Except that did good damage. I think I'd rather just hit him with everybody. He's focusing. Attack up! That's huge! Oh, big crit. See ya. Big XP. Ginseng. Wow. My, very impressive, my friends. I am Marlock. You are wanting to see me, yes? Well then, come inside, that we can talk. Okay. What? A Windian princess, you say? Now, Zat, you mentioned it. I did carry a person who looked like Zat on my sand flyer. What did you do with her? No, my little birdie, you misunderstand. I was asked to take her to the west, you see. Listen, mister, you better start making sense, and fast. Tell us exactly what happened now. There is nothing to tell. The Empire asked the princess to come to the capital. Beat him up! What the? Why would Elena go there, huh? What reason would she have to go to the heart of the enemy's country? You are asking the wrong person, eh? Besides, I am thinking that you will be wanting me help in looking for the princess, no? I guess. If that is so, then I think you should be a little more polite, eh? Is he French or is he Canadian? Could be French-Canadian. Well, if you are wanting my help, I am not an unreasonable man. But before I help you, I need you to do some work for me. Ah, boy. Here we go. So he wants us to go catch some thief, huh? Merchants, they can't think about anything but money. We're trying to find a missing princess, and he sends us off to find his missing money. What does he think we are anyway? Handymen or something? Urshan reminds me that we were responsible for the loss of his bodyguard, and she says that it is unrealistic to expect someone like Marlock to provide us with services for no cost. Well, I guess you've got a point. Still, I think it's asking a little much to have us leave Nina behind like that. She's a princess herself, not a maid. Mr. Marlock, what exactly is it that you, want me to do? Well, until your friends come back, with the items that were stolen from me, I was thinking that maybe you could some work around here. Typo. You know, I'll take care of the house and me. Uh-oh. Sinister plans. Well, anyway, we should probably think of what to do next. I want to go find that Khan so I can make him Kray's master. Continue on our mission without further delay. All right then, let's go ask some of those traveling merchants if they know anything about this thief. Was it the guy that I saw that had... I mean, there was a guy I saw that just had a bunch of ellipses. I don't remember where he was, though. Where was he? Where did he go? Marlock was robbed? I guess you could call it poetic justice, or people say he's a thief himself. Sounds like the townspeople are not too keen on this Marlock guy. Actually, yeah, I think the thief was standing right here. Oh, wait, did they move up? I think that's... Are you them? You weren't here before, were you? Looking for a bandit, are you? I've heard people talk about there being a lot of them in the desert, but I haven't seen any around here. Let's talk to this. Oh. Let's talk to this nice fellow over here. What? A bandit? Well, I don't know if he's the man you're looking for, but I saw a fellow with a big, heavy-looking bag over his shoulder heading out of town on the Eastern Highway. Well, then, what are we waiting for? But yeah, I stopped right before that fight. I wasn't sure what was gonna happen, what the next step was, so I didn't want to like queue up a lengthy section. So I didn't know it was just gonna be a boss fight. But no, this makes more sense. Hi, Tess. Hello. Push barrel. Another barrel. Random barrels to push around. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. A rat. Loves to collect toothpicks. Freaking kill it. Dang. It's too fast. Well, now this is a little overkill. Need Nina to come back so we can catch that dang rat. Mysterious hideout. Rats can hurt quite a bit. Chomp, chomp, chomp. But so can we. Dun dun. Ooh. What did he learn? Slow. Okay. Clearly something going on here with these barrels. Yeah? Huh. Is there info I could have gleaned from the town? Feels like I need to push barrels around, but I don't know. Nothing's standing out super obviously for me. Go back to town. Maybe talk to more people. Too loud. Let's help Mr. Marlick so we can get out of here and look for Elena. Stop wasting time and start looking for that thief. Come on, I need more to work with. You're saying I should go back to the hideout? I just need to talk to the guy? Spend my money first? Oh. Is he gonna rob me? Like, take all my money? I don't know what to spend my money on, though. They didn't have really... I guess I can buy... who was it? Was it somebody at the top of the inn? I guess I could go buy soul gems or something, just to make sure. Hey, what's up? I feel about you giving me this kind of info, though. While I sense you want to be helpful, it is also removing potential funny moments in the experience of the game. Wow, there's still nobody here. Kill that rat. Damn. What I need... Yeah, I'm not fast enough. I mean, you don't gotta tell me anything. I don't... know if talking to him is actually progressing anything, and I feel like your advice is making me run around in circles. In progress, none. That's interesting. What's up? Ah, cool. All right. No more help, please. Doesn't seem like this is where I need to be, though. Can't run from 2 rats. Okay. I guess I'll go back to town and talk to more people. They're quick. I should have gone back and talked to the guy that gave me that advice in the first. Yeah, that guy up there. Come back here, you son of a bitch. In the desert, huh? Hey, what up, dog? Okay, I've already read all this. You guys know about any bandits? Please. Oh. None of you is ready to learn this yet. To learn what I have to teach, you must have a more open heart. Good info. Nah, hide and seek was pretty easy. Okay, well, I think I've talked to everybody now. Maybe I should go look in the desert. See if I can get an encounter. Ah, cheeky. Okay. There he is. It's true what they say about there being bandits in these parts. And you were a merchant. You wouldn't just be out walking with all your goods out in the open, would you? Let's slug him. Oh there, where you folks headed to? What's that? Bandits? Nope, haven't heard anything about that. Oh, see, we were asked by the merchant of Sinistra named Marlock. Marlock! What are you... He's the bandit! Go get him. Wait a minute. You mean he was the thief Marlik was talking about? He's a coward. It's interesting that they didn't, like, force that encounter before I could actually get to the hideout. They kind of left it a little ambiguous there. For now, why don't you rub my shoulders here, eh? Poor Nina. Yeah, because now we're at the hideout. So they kind of... This is a weird way that they did that. They kind of set you up to get stuck a little bit. If you... Unless you actually took that one guy's advice about bandits in the desert, like, to heart, which I didn't initially. Because, I mean, why would I? Catch the thief. Set up a barricade. Yeah, I mean, you leave and you immediately get a hideout revealed. Like, I instinctively would be like, all right, to the hideout. That's gotta be it. I know, I was thinking of Krakow too. We'll never catch him. Great victory. Oh, I wonder if I should be... Yeah, probably want to make this be the blockade. Damn, man, he's good. Mary's, huh? Miss. 1650? What the hell, man? Hey, what's up? Let me go, this is my stuff. So what you're saying is that was all yours to begin with? That Murloc sent these really big fellows after me. Made me sell them everything for next to nothing. I guess it's not really stealing if you're just taking what's already yours. It's like we need to go back and have a little talk with Marlock. And we just let him go? Enough with his shoulders. Now why don't you give me a foot massage? Poor Nina. So now there's supposed to be a dude in here? Oh yeah, this dude. Stole the thief. Don't come close to me. Even if I was justified, I still stole from Marlock. And what? You want to learn the tricks of the trade from me? Maybe if he was to make a donation. Take all my money. You mean you'll really give me your money? All right then, I'll tell you how to steal things. Oh. Learn how to filch. It's a trick where you steal something from an enemy when you attack them. Who wants to learn it? I don't know. I feel like a robot thief will be good, and I think the robot is the slowest character with the least amount of stuff to do. So we'll do that. That sounds funny. Could always change it later. Go out there and steal some stuff. Come back over here when you've got over 80 different kinds of items. Holy moly. See, now I want to go back and fight like those undead enemies because they had armors and accessories. The filching robot. What? And so you come back just like that? You didn't tell us the whole story. According to that man, you were the one you idiot. No matter how much I pay for it, that's what's mine is mine. I have a right to get it back, yes? Never mind. All right, Zen. This time I have you do some work where thinking is not required, yes? No thinking. Do some work where thinking is not required? Bah. What does he think he is anyway? Fat greedy son of a... Thinks he's smarter than us. Urshan says that we did fail the first job assigned to us. She also says it is unrealistic of you to expect to be given something for nothing. All right, I get your point. Poor Nina. Because of me, she has to do even more work. Very good, Miss Nina. Now, how about a back massage? Alright, what do we have to do that doesn't require thinking? Well, it's no use staying here moping about it all day. I have been told that we should complete our assigned tasks as quickly as possible, that we may return and continue on our mission without further delay. Yes. You said we should go to the Sandflyer Wharf north of here, right? Let's go. Oops. Oh yeah, I have no money. To the Sandflyer Wharf. What's this? Any free Zinni around here? Ooh. Okay. See if I can... Oh, wait, what? Did I not actually learn Filch? Did I, like, mess up the inputs? I, like, not hit confirm? What happened? I wanted a thieving robot. Oh, man. What happened? No, it's there. It's a passive skill. Oh. Okay. It's not like an actual hit the steel button. I'll figure it out. That. I don't see no goodies around here. Let's head to the wharf. Oh. Is that a permanent spot? Bandits. These are the guys I want to steal from. Can I, like, guard? Ow. Oh, jeez. Alright, see ya. 2 healing herbs. Oh. The lads! Alright, we'll be here for a second. My ears! Big combo. Nice. That done. Looking for a fishing spot? Try the northeastern corner of the desert. Fishing? I didn't do any fishing before. But hey, I'll give it another shot. Yeah, I did fishing in all the games, I guess. I got him. Jellyfish. Okay. Whee! I'm assuming it's just keep the... Oh, there's some other moves you can do. Kind of flick it a little bit. Catch. A bounce. That's a lot of points. Yeah. Oh, I didn't hit the button. Yeah. It's a big dragonfly. It got caught on the bottom. I know I could do that. Saw that guy over there. Let's get him. Oh, he's gone. Another jellyfish. Wow, that sure was fun. I like the part where I went fishing. All right, I'm out of here. There, I did it. I successfully fished. I attempted in session number 1 with no success. Just a fishing stream. Oh dear, there's so much to do in so little time. Oh dear, oh my, oh dear. Hello. What's that you say? You're here to help. Well then, let's not waste any time. Got a job for you right here. We're gonna play a minion. We need to clean up this storeroom. Line them up where they're supposed to go. We don't need the old barrels anymore, so you can just break them if they get in the way. Okay. Put Cray in front and use him to move the jars and barrels. The jars need to be put in front of the sign in the north end. The barrels need to be put in the front of the sign in the south end. To get the old barrels out of the way, use Urshan and break them. Move one jar and one barrel and then destroy the rest. Okay. Wait, how do I... Oh, you go down. I'm assuming this is... Oops. The bad sign. Oh, I see. Okay. There's cockroaches in there. Careful that we don't leave. It needs to go up there. Yeah, I can't push that one anymore. I'm wondering if I was able to, like, stack jars on top of each other. Because that would be the only way I can think of how to move that one. It doesn't seem like just regular attacks will filch. Unless these... No, they had stuff. Yeah, I'm also not really super sure. Ding dong. Nope. Looks good on my end. gonna be able to get a perfect because I messed up that one over there and I can't push it back for some reason. Oh, I can't push the... Oh, I messed that up too. Dang it. Pay attention. Good job, Robot. Bonk. Okay. Okie doke. I don't think... Yeah, I don't think it's about stacking. I think what it probably wants me to do is push it in front of the entryway. That would make more sense. Oh yeah, speaking of Madrinas, I don't know if you guys saw, or if you get the Madrinas newsletter or emails, but they announced a new whole bean flavor. A cinnamon whiskey. In collaboration with Civilization. Sid Meier's Civilization, which is pretty dope. Oh, no. I thought that one was over far enough. Damn it. I could have sworn it made the sound. I don't want to fight cockroaches anymore. I don't want to do it. That's how they get you. We've been had. That's what I needed to do. All right, no more goofs. Perfect 800. Da-da. Yeah, that one's got to go back. Just gotta make sure. I gotta be careful I don't mess up. about the whole thinking thing. Oh, this one's easy. No, it's not. This one needs to come out this way. So there. Full concentration mode, because I don't want to mess this up and have to do it all again. Push it that way. Perfect. Now, I want to push this one up to here. Because then I should be able to walk diagonally, right? Because I can't push it all the way straight up. I'll see if... Oh, this barely works. Ooh. You think the devs were being cheeky when they said... This one didn't require any thinking? Do you think they were having a laugh? I'm not overcomplicating things. I'm just making sure I don't fuck up and have to do this all over again. That seems pretty reasonable. I'm just so scared that I'm not going to be allowed to, like, slip by this one. But I don't know where else to push it unless I should have waited before pushing this one here. So that I can just, slide them all towards the back there. Alright. Hey! Okay. It's all good. Listen, I have to make sure I do it right so that we can actually move on and play more game. There was a time bonus. Well, it looks like you got everything. Straightened up pretty good. Okay, follow me. I've got another job for you. Now what? More mini games? A little tired out? A little tuckered out? Yes, I guess so. Yeah, the instructions actually did say that I could just do that. I could just place one on each and break the rest. But I ain't no pussy. Uh-oh. Nina, say no. Nina, flee! Okay, for your next job... You do see the crane over there, don't you? Oh! This crane? Yeah, I see it. Yeah, thanks. Listen, I was told points were important. Are they not? Use the crane to load the freight onto the ship. Use the directional inputs to move the crane arm. When the hook is directly above a container, press the C button. Whatever that is. If you're on target, the hook will catch and you can lift the container. You can lower containers you've picked up into the ship by pressing the C button again. 10. Use the hook shadow to guide you as you move crane. Blue square. Oh. Some Mario Party shit right here. What do you mean? Them bonus points, baby. It's so specific. Swing it around. What do you mean the shadow's perfect? What do you mean? The shadow is literally on top of it. This is bullshit, man. I can even get 3 more on there. There's no way. I'm never gonna have enough time. Oh wait, there's time. There's time. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. There's not enough time. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I was at. I was close. Thanks for your help. Pretty good for a beginner. I'll take it. Garf, Gray. Uh-oh. What'd you do, Nina? Did you karate chop him? Did they do a good job this time? I see. Looks like you actually did some work, eh? Well then, I will give you a tip for a job well done. 500 zenny. I got a spoon. Thank you for spoon. Go get something good to eat. Was this, eh? Alright then. I will let you ride on the Sandflyer as I promised, and I will give you the VIP room, eh? Very nice. Nina wouldn't do that, Chaos. You don't know Nina like I do. That lowdown good for nothing. They put me in a box. Yeah, we're in a box, okay. VIP room. Stuffed us into these wooden crates like this? What does he think we are, cattle? Hello in there. I would remind you, I am smuggling you into the enemy territory, yes? We must all make sacrifices. Be a little more patient, eh? At least this way, no one will find you. Yips. Oh, you greedy low down? Whoa, crate, calm down. Don't rock the crate like that. Falls off the sand flyer. Is this game going to be, like, in the desert for, like, 90% of it? I need some green. Hey, it's Fulu. Hey, what up? It's me, Fulu. I've recovered from my big burn adventure. Howdy, howdy. Let's go see what Bunyan's up to. Well, you're looking a lot better. Thank you for your caring ministrations, Bunyan. The time has come for me to quit this place. Fulu. Looks like you're in a hurry or over something. I don't need to know, but tell me this. You were on the run from someone, weren't you? Does this mean that there's going to be another war? I did my time. I've seen my share of fights. Something tells me that there's a big one brewing. Thou wert a warrior? Or a soldier? Yeah, I was. Maybe it's just because I'm older now, but when I look back on it now, it all seems so pointless. I mean, sure, maybe when the first emperor started it, that war had some kind of purpose, but it went on so long, it was as if the war itself became the purpose. None of us knew what we were even fighting for. The war took on a life of its own. The mortals, they understand not. Did you just call me immortal? Forgive me, I merely spoke aloud mine thoughts. Farewell. What level is he? 64! I don't know where you'll be heading, but safe journey to you. So long, Bunyan. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think my characters are like level 12, level 11. Big bug. Not fire again. No, I've been over this. It's monster attack with fire, but can't withstand fire itself. Flame string. Let's see if I can pick up some of these moves. Ah. What about Fire Blast? Ding, ding. I gotta know. Okay. No, wait, it said can't withstand fire itself. What about a fire punch? It's not a punch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. That's a lot of damage. Damn, dude. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Not these guys again. How? By what means didst thou find us? Even if your majesty is still not fully recovered, you are still a god, one of the endless. Even if you do not avail yourself of our powers, the act of simply speaking your own name creates a ripple in the world large enough that those sensitive to such things can sense your presence immediately. It would appear that thou wouldst not have us enter the capital by any persuasion. Indeed, time has not blunted my lord's perceptions. Dragon. Owl? Bird? Owl. One of Yam's servants uses fire wind magical attack. Eldritch Flame. Let's see how much damage this does while guarding. Ooh, that stings. I'm under the impression that... Oh, but I'd love to learn that. I don't know. I'm of the impression that you can't learn moves from boss fights since they'd be missable. I mean, if it was a good game, it'd be that way. Bing. Death. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Eraser. Cheeky. Oh, is that the case, Chaos? Oh, he heals from fire. Damn, he just has fire wind? It's crazy. Might be better just to slap him. What's up, Cardiac? It would take a lot for me to want to replay Breath of Fire 1 and 2. But I think I could see myself replaying 3 and this one again someday in the future. Bam. Bam. Poor guy, poor Fulu. He's all by his lonesome, so he can't, like, set up any cool combos. I like how this thing healed when it was still at full health, but hasn't healed since. I'm gonna predict the heal right now. I mean, this guy's got so much health, he probably doesn't need a heal yet. Got him. 22,000? Damn. I should have known that toppling your majesty would not be so easily achieved. I had not realized your powers had returned to such an extent. While 'tis true that we have recovered but a portion of our power, thou should knowest that thee, a mere mortal, poseth no danger to us. One such as I cannot be vanquished by one such as thee. Perhaps the creature which your majesty just defeated is but one of many I command. Oh. Furthermore, unless I am mistaken, I believe that your other half is but recently born, yes? Even if he should be a god like yourself, he would be somewhat easier for us to deal with, would ye not? Verily, though I wouldst fain admit it, thou speakest truly. My path then is clear. I must hasten to the capital ere thou findeth him. Wah! Why can't I turn into that in the fight? Blast! Already he has enough power to fly. After him, don't let him escape. Meow. Okay. Oh, we're still in this. I thought we were just gonna get like a little glimpse. Oh, I hope this is another mini game. Dang, that's a pretty crazy shadow you got there. Oh! Ow. 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 That's right, don't defend yourself at all. Thanks so much. Thank you so much. My luck again. How many trips does that make this month? I don't think I've seen anyone who cares about making a profit as much as he does. Tell me about it. Just look at the size of those crates he's bringing around. Yeah, well, I suppose you have to be like that to make the kind of deals he does. We're on opposite sides, remember? I'm Solid Snake, hiding in my basket. My picnic basket. Looks like the coast is clear. Where's the robot? Looks like everything went as planned. Yup. Now we've come this far. There's no way we're going back without Elena. How did all four of us fit in that? I find that unreasonable. I find that a little hard to believe. This village is called Gyoen, after the soldiers who guard the Imperial Causeway. Gyoen means people of the bridge in the language of the Empire. Wow. These weapons were bought by the Empire during the war. Interested in anything? What do you got? I don't have any more money. Guessing doesn't show the difference because I don't have enough money. I want that. What can I sell? Spoon. Oh, I didn't realize they had that. I mean, I guess I could sell my jellyfish. Ribs. Extra. Get rid of that. I just want this, and then we can leave. Good enough. Hello, lad. Heard a flyer with a lot of crates came in. Figure it must be an old Marlock's making another one of his supply runs. What do you got for sale? I don't have any money, but I'm curious. Cool, thank you. You hear that they sent in some troops the other day? Heard they were supposed to be looking for a dragon or something. Oh, curious. Oops. Hey, what up? You recruits, yeah? Well, relax and take some time off. The only thing so far that I've noticed that is less than ideal is so many areas have just like a wind blowing sound effect. I want my mute. Where's my tunes, man? Where's my cool tunes? A pretty looking woman came around here. Can't wait to get back home and see my girlfriend. I wonder when I'll be able to get through it. No, I don't want to talk to you. They say the Causeway's gate is finally going to open again. They haven't really used the gate very much since the war ended. The entrance to the Imperial Causeway, which links to the eastern cotta of Levant to western Wad Hesperia. Do you know what it really is? Oh, you already know? The first emperor must have been amazing to make something as incredible as this. All right, I'll say no just so I can humor him. It's not really a bridge or causeway at all. It's a magical gate that can transport people or things instantaneously from place to place. What is this, Chrono Trigger? More importantly, how do I get to that guy down there? Can I go down? No. No. No! That man down there is not real. Oh, hey. I didn't know there was a door there. Didn't even notice. All right, what's going on? Oh, hey, music. That thing I was just asking about. Yeah, it is kind of weird how the footsteps don't line up with the music. Okay, see, like this guy, I want his stuff. Get out of here, mouse. That was green. Did I ever... I don't think I learned how to learned Wild Swing, did I? Let's see if I can teach it to my robot. I don't think I did. I don't remember learning it. It being still blue makes me think that I haven't learned it yet. There we go. Nice. It's like Wild Shot. Hit you with your own attack. I guess I don't know how to. I don't know if I'd be able to figure it out on my own. So how does Filch work in this? I can't imagine it's like guarding or anything. I was so expecting it to be just like an actual move that you use. 7. Yeah, I got Wild Shot and Wild Swing. I didn't really think about that. I would probably give Wild Swing to somebody else then. 8. Man, I noticed this last time too, but there's very obviously just like a bad looping point in this battle theme. It's very strange. That guy has like cool stuff and I want it. Can't believe they put enemies in their magic tower, in their magic transport tower. Are they stupid? This looks like a midway point of sorts. That's a lot of rats. Out of here. Bring Nina back into the party. Since we haven't really got to hang out with Nina for a while. She was busy dealing with that freak. Check both sides. I need to... My characters are so slow, it's not fair. She has wings. She's a Windian. Windians have wings. Wow, that was just good enough to take out most of them. Oh, excuse me. Huh, 1 second. Just need to have a wee coughing fit. Alright, I'm good. Bandits. I don't know how to steal. I don't know what you want from me. Unless it's just like deal the killing blow or something. did it! He failed. Interesting. You gonna do it again? No. So it's just random. Okay, that kind of sucks. I'm not a huge fan of that. So I'm guessing this will take me back down? Oh, nice. That's handy. Be useful on a return trip, I guess. So this must be the gateway, huh? The lift. What the? Spooky. Ominous. Uninviting. It looks like it's been activated. Well, what are we waiting for then? Guess we're supposed to jump in there. Come on. That's far enough. I knew something was going to stop us. How did they know? All right, then. Just who taught you people your manners, hmm? Who do you think you are? This belongs to the Empire. Do you think you could just walk right up and use it without asking? We don't want any trouble. I don't suppose you'd be willing to let us go, would you? I'm afraid not. I owe that runt there for what he did to me. That hurt, you know. Sorry. Alright, if that's the way you want it, then. You must be pretty brave coming after us by yourself. Brave or stupid? Alright, spawn the big monster or whatever. I came alone for a reason. Because I don't need any help to deal with the likes of you. By the power granted me, I command thee. What is Yimeketh? Warrior spirit, thou art summoned. Oh, didn't we already like deal with these guys? Didn't we already fight one of these before? Charm is its weakness. Try a combo attack on its... Okay, I will. But first... I'm gonna rest up my characters. What did I did kind of a double heal, right? Big rest. Definitely should have healed my robot. Off balance. This seems good. Should definitely go, big boy. He's schmoovin'. Honestly, I should probably get Garf AP Master just because then I can remain Dragon for longer. Is balance. Qua into sever into wild swing. Terrible. But it's about the combo. It's still terrible. Miss. Uh-oh. Oh no, that move's better than ours. Ooh. Ouch. No, don't use it on him. Don't do that. Barriers up. Just hit him. Shield. Healed. Oh, wait. Is it... Did barrier combo with heal to also give her a shield? Because that's pretty cool. Very nice. Oh, I bet my barrier messes up the combo. Sure does. Oops. Oh, okay. My brain was thinking barrier and shield were two different things. Damn! Thanks, Urshin. Figure out what I did to knock them off balance, because that seems like something I need to do first. Oh, there we go. Miss! Alright. I guess because I'll revert back to my old self once my AP runs out. But you should be able to heal the dragon. The charm is its weakness. Oh, it's literally talking about the charm on its back. Can I just run up and hit it now? Big damage. Oh, what? Alright. This is good. This is good. Keep it up. got him in a sequence, a good sequence here. Punch him. That's not gonna do it. Oh, it did do it. Okay. Ooh, I'm back, baby. Slap. I'm resting. Ooh. Still did good damage. No! Don't give up. Oh, very handy back row character. That's kind of... that's like only during boss fights or something. Slap. Her in. I'm gonna have her heal Robit. Healing shot. Oh wow, that worked because it was a combo regardless. Nice. Get that Robit out of here. Pathetic. Triple level up. Another ice punch. But how? Oh, look. It's closing. Go, go, go. See a person. See, and now my footstep sound effects were fitting with my movement. Dragon, but that's not possible. Well, I guess that means there won't be anyone coming after us for a while, at least. Woo! That's nice. Still, I don't think the Emperor will give up that easily. Better keep our guard up, just in case. Alright, let's get going. Lena's here somewhere, and I tend to find her. Okay. Let's go. I'm evil Daniel Craig? Was that directed at me? We talking like 007 Daniel Craig or like Knives Out Daniel Craig? Which one you got? Uh-oh. Robit. rest. And I'm gonna snooze. And I'm gonna switch with him. And crack some armor. Wake up! Hey, thanks, Urshan. Very nice. I do that again, but I'm gonna bring you in to see if I can filch. Night night. Oh, it's not really much better. Oh, cool. Now let me swap her out when she was asleep. I wonder if the original game also has really weird looping points for the music. It's so strange. Doo-doo. It does? Okay. She was having a snooze. Not these guys, not the gong heads. These flying creatures has a weakness to wind. I still remember the big giant one on that island. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it again. The animation in this, like, the sprite animation is so good, especially when they're, like, taking damage. It's so good. There's just so much life to them. I can't get over it. Music. I don't need to go upstairs. I need to go downstairs. Let's see if I can learn anything from these lads. Come on, what you got? Okay. That ain't it, Chief. Double wind? That doesn't combine to anything. Oh, just punch him. Duh. This is where I came from, isn't it? No. This way. I gotta go downstairs, not upstairs. do 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 do. Oh, you live. Oh no. Okay, robot is just very strong. Hi, Kara. Howdy. Slap. Big. Okay. So it wants us to go take the elevator. Got it. Back I go. I wish I could, like, combine... attack and then do a combo with a physical to make that also be wind attack or something cheeky. I'm very interested in this combo system, but I've not yet hit a point where I'm like, I need to sit down and just try everything until it all works. Floor, please. Or do I need to go to the... No, this... No. I should just have Urshan just punch everything. Dang it. Dang it. One thing I have noticed about this game, though, compared to pretty much every previous Breath of Fire, is it is pretty dang easy so far. I'm not gonna speak too soon, though, but so far it's been pretty easy. Something over here. Oh, that just takes me back up. Okay. All right, we're out. Whoa. Puppy. Captain Rasso? No, I only saw a cap and asshole. Oh, SpaghettiOs. Wait, talk to the puppy again. Hello. I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come back. He's been sent to live out to guard the causeway from enemies. Smoked his ass. Aw, it still all looks like desert, though. Alright, I want to save, and I want to... Let's see what kind of encounters we got going on over here. What's cooking? I like it. It's a little slow. Oh, this is green. It's a Molotov. It's been a little slow. A little slow paced. Alright, let me see if I can actually yoink something from this bandit. It's not grindy. Oh! Damn it. Keeps missing. Hasn't been grindy yet. It's just, nothing's really happened yet so far. Eh. But I mean, I'm still only like 6 hours in, give or take, so. Yeah, I have a robot on my team. Also, watch this move. Check this shit out. Send him to heaven! 5 damage. 100 damage. Damn. Yeah, Urshan's pretty cool. She can't really do much, but she can really pack a pretty powerful punch, which is good. We like punches. You know what I should do before we get into this? Set up camp. We made it. We made it across. Hey. Well, I've done it now. There's supposed to be a truce between the Alliance and the Empire. When it finds out we snuck into the Empire, we're all going to be in a lot of trouble. But now that we've gone this far, there's no way I'm going back without Alina. Alina is Nina's sister. Nina's the girl with the wings. I've never really been outside the castle before. I never would have imagined it'd be making a trip to Hesperia. Yeah, Urshan says she is impressed by that device. To be able to move things across continents in an instant is an impressive feat. I kind of imagine Urshan has like the same voice as like Flood from Mario. Do I want to give Urshan anything? Nah. Like BMO? That would be just as fitting, yeah. Give Urshan the turbo nozzle. Correct. I want to go swim in the Baja Blast water, please. May I go swim in there? It's a pretty big place, so I guess it's not surprising. There's people living in it too. Looking for someone, you say? Well, good luck. There's people coming in and out of here all the time. This is Antana, where the Carronade was built. Since the Carronade is one of the Empire's main weapons, Astana is also an important military base with a large number of soldiers living here. Gulp. Uh-oh. Have you seen the big aqueduct nearby? That's where Astana gets all its water from. Yeah, natural Baja Blast right there. The thing about this game is that all of the towns are designed to be very hard to navigate visually. My boyfriend's one of the guards stationed in Kyoan. I hope he gets rotated back here soon. Get rotated. What's up, nerd? I've heard they need lots of water to cool the Carronade after it's been fired. That's why the army built the aqueduct here and connected it. Wow. Hello. Get too many non-military types here. Nah, I'm good. Cheers, mate. What's that one town in FF7 that has like a big old cannon on the top of it? Junon. Yeah. Oh. +5 armor. Face guard. Protect user's face. Resistance to death attacks? I feel like I should have one of those on hand just in case. Yeah. I should definitely get a little boosty. Hard to say no to +5 armor. Okay. What do you got? Oops. 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 Wait, who's that guy? What do you think of this big gun? Pretty cool, huh? It shoots hexes. They used it during the war to blast enemy towns. Every so often we get a bunch of strange looking people coming in here. They don't tell us who they are or why they're here. We're just guards, so they never tell us what's going on. What? Looking for someone? Well, I doubt the person you're looking for is in here. This is a military installation with only military people, see? Let me pass! That is a big gun. Thank you for noticing. How do I actually get up there, though? The gun's in the way. I can't. I can't. I can't. Do I need to switch to someone shorter? Give me your money. For Zenny. Okay, does this like... Let me double check. Does it like connect over there? Okay. Yeah, it didn't seem like I could actually do anything. Get up to that room. I gotta learn how to crawl. I gotta get my morph ball. Goo count does nothing but watch, but can power up if conditions are right. It's gonna hit you with the goo count. It does nothing but watch. Maybe it'll watch me light it up. I'm gonna start counting now. Uh-oh. Frost? Let's see if I can get that move. Okay, worth a shot. Yeah! Oops. How about a tall, frosty one? You routed the enemy. That I did. Okay, no secrets back there. Cool aqueduct you got here. This game is so generous with items. It's crazy. Hello, man. Oh! Aigu, Flug. Okay, these are all ones I've. These are all basics. These are all basics. Must be the repairman, right? Hold on, I'll power up the gondola. All right, just a second. Gondola ride? Whee! Thank you, kind stranger, for the generosity. And for not asking questions. Hey, wait a minute. Which one of these has the item? Aha. Big money. Apple ginseng. Oh. Ooh. Let's hit him with a special attack. Rock blast. Terrible. How come... Hey, why didn't that combo? That's weird. Did I do something wrong? It was rock blast into burn, wasn't it? Pretty sure. There's water flowing. Do you want to jump in? Yeah, I do. Whee! We're riding the aqueduct. Time for a mini game. Just kidding. Time for a dungeon. Oh, this is from the dream. This is from the dream I had. This is the place where Honolulu. Yes. It's just like Garf's dream showed us, right? Don't get your hopes up too much. We still need to find her. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, these bugs are very hard to hit, so hit them with magic. Find them! Miss nothing. Nothing here. Night-night. Someday I'll actually use my, like, permanent upgrade items. Someday. Don't believe me? Somebody's coming. What then is the status of the sacrifice? It continues to grow, Lord Yuna. Excellent. I'm greatly pleased. Blast, they'll see us. We walk behind this curtain, we won't get caught. Yes, Lord Yuna, at the present rate... Oh. Whew. Looks like they didn't say... Oh, but we did! Well now, we can't have this, can we? This building belongs to the Foe Empire. And you are Easterners, are you not? We're looking for someone. Yes, we're looking for my sister. Her name is Elena. We're told she had come here. What do you know about her? Now, don't get too close. You mean Princess Elena? Yes, she was here. She was a very kind person. She said she was here on a goodwill visit to see people injured during the war. However, she is no longer with us. I'm afraid it's the truth. Now then. What? I think it's about time you were on your way, my Eastern friends. Oh, we could take them. Come on. And so we were captured and sent back to the Alliance. That's it? We were chastened by the King of Ludia for acting without permission. Bad ending. Gray was forced to stand before a tribunal to explain his actions. Chief Cray of the Warrens. They are ready for you now. Oh, okay. That was so weirdly abrupt and anticlimactic a little bit. Was that what was supposed to happen? Or did I get caught? What happened? Are you awake, Garth? Kind of depressing weather, isn't it? I wonder if they're still questioning Cray. Why don't we go to the castle? If we're lucky, they might let us see Cray. So very strange. Oh, we lost Urshin. Ooh, what's this? Oh, nice. Oh, there's Urshin. By the way, this is Sias. He's been assigned to watch over us so we don't run off. Not like we leave anyway. I would never leave Cray behind. Urshin says she is bored. Sorry, Urshin. I'm keeping watch. Cool. Yeah, well, yeah. Let me go. Let me pass. Let me go do stuff. Where are you going? I'll go with you. Okay. Castle Ludia lies this way. In this room, we are holding a group of people who are part of an incident which is currently under investigation. Hey, what are you doing out here? Came here from the south, and while I was passing through the woods, something poked me in the eye. I tell you, that forest is haunted. I was traveling the forest when suddenly something pitched me. Well, you know where. In the bum? Haunted forest, huh? Invisible animals. Here, we use the metal from the dam to make machine parts. Wow. Very interesting. I'm so intrigued by these things that you are saying to me. Oh, hey, what's up, dude? These factory towns, they do not have any inns. But they don't know I am still open for business. Cat's Balger. Wow. Dang, I need more money. Oh, he's actually in my party. That's cool. Huh. Just gonna sell one of these. Dang it. I need more money. I at least want that. Raise the power of one target. I can't sell those things. I definitely shouldn't. Get rid of those. I guess I'll get rid of... yeah, whatever. At least give me a sword. Thank you. Okay, goodbye. Need more money. Back when we were at war, things were really busy here. What with everyone making machines, selling parts and all. And now it's nothing. Oops. I didn't mean to leave. Done talking to people. The prisoner is currently under investigation. No visitors are allowed. I'm afraid that's the way it has to be, Princess Nina. Why am I not in prison? Why is it all Kray's fault? Master Kray is the leader of the Warren Nation. Unlike you, he must be kept under strict guard. I'm sorry, but I'm afraid I'll have to ask you to leave. Sais, keep your eye on them. Little goblin. Come back here. Several days? How am I gonna wait in my room for several days? Got another thing coming. It's no use. There's nothing we can do. Poor Kray. This is all my fault. Can't just sit here and do nothing. I know. Let's go to Warrant. That's where Kray is from. a guard to watch us. Still, they never said we couldn't go anywhere, right? Let's go. Warren is to the south here, past the forest. I'm so tall that my head just phases through this wall. He's like two things in a trench coat tall. Can't find any work that doesn't stop him from eating. Hungry, hungry. Man, I wish we were at war just so I could have a job. Can you believe it? I mean, she's engaged, isn't she? I know, to the Prince of Ludia, no less. I just love royal scandals. Yes. That looks like something I can interact with eventually. All my mom does is stand around all day and gossip. Oops. Doo-doo. Oh, there he is. Ain't had much to do since the war ended. Might as well eat. Alright. I want to see this lad in combat. What's this? Oh, I cannot go there. What's this? I'm a dog. Not the Nut Troop. Dodges enemy attacks, uses double blow every other turn. Frost Shining Blade. Critical hit always hits. Damn. Oh. Shoot that guy. Oh, he's got a katana. Parry. Yo. The double miss. I see. Double blow every other turn. Give. Yeah, we'll see if he gets it. No! Damn it. I goofed. There you go. Hey. Oh, Katana Dog. He's cool. He's cool. Ooh, fishing spot. Thank you. Oh, I gotta go fishing now. Four things to catch. Thrashing about. fish. You're growing tired, right? You're basically... Get over here. Nice. Ooh. Flying fish. Beginner plus? Alright, that's enough of that. Makes no difference who you are. So it does seem like you can control the direction the fish goes a little bit by like tapping left and right. Seems that way. What's this? Ooh, goodies. We do. Spooky. Let's not let it do that. Sucking in air? Oh, no, you don't. We'll kill it, and then we can read about it more in the next encounter. Pointed stick. Okay, I could probably sell that. Duty Scott. Let's take out one of them. I want to try and get double blow. Punch. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get it. I didn't get it. Oh, it's because I was guarding with the wrong. You know what? Let's just chill. I'll hit this guy though. Let's see what this wood's doing. He's got Eddie. Nice. Give me it. I don't even really want it. It's just I want to have it. I mean, a guaranteed double hit's good, especially when it comes to, like, comboing, maybe. Here we go. Yeah. What? He didn't do it. I thought he was gonna do it every turn. Every other turn. game lied to me. I really like how... Hey, there we go. How convenient it is to be able to swap party members mid-battle. It's very nice. Alright, let's try it out on him. Ow. Jesus. Hell yeah. Dang, this high evasion idiot. Okay, I do want to see what that tree turns into, though. What if I did it to both of them? Ooh, very angry. But now fire doesn't work. Ooh. I think I can get... Nice. Good job, shit. I don't know if I can get flare. But I must try. No. Oh, she do be dying. This guy's got a lot of health. Not anymore. There you go. Great victory. Cool. Don't want to go there. What is this? This is not where I thought we were going. Oh, oops. Thought we were going to Warson or whatever. Hey, what up, man? I knew this was the place to be sell. So many people coming and going all day long. How about it? Are you looking for something? Cash in stamp card? Oh, it's a fish guy. Oh. I see. Fit people in this. How do I fit people into such a small inn? No, it's okay. Dude. We might have... Well, that's the thing is we can't get back to the earlier place, so... Unless I can still, like, find those fish in this region. The lead ball? Okay. I got the bronze ball. Of course, now that it's yours, I think that one looks better. No, I'm telling you, the place to go to is Chamba. You'll be able to get more for it in Sinestro. Sinestro. Oh, man, we got a bronze ball now. What do you got? Long boots. Interesting. Could definitely spend some time grinding up to get money. to buy some goodies. Interesting. So we're right at the edge of the desert. Some people call this the Desert City. Ain't no way to cross that desert now without a sand flyer. It's hot. Too hot. Much too hot. Okay. Interesting. I do like that there's like a little mini trade sequence, I guess. So I guess I gotta go through the Wirchwood to get to Warson or Warren or whatever, Worgen, whatever the hell we're going to next. That's gonna have to be next time. Boom, baby. That's all I got time for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for enjoying the Breath of Fire 4 with me. Thank you, thank you. I'm waiting for this game to actually become challenging. Compared to the previous Breath of Fires, this game is very casual, which honestly, I don't hate it. Because like the first 3 games were pretty damn hard. Especially 1 and 2. So I'm sure there will come a moment where I'm gonna get my shit rocked, and that I'm looking forward to it. But for now, it's like I feel no inclination to grind or do anything like beyond what I've done so far. It's kind of nice. Like I don't hate it. It's kind of nice to have a little delightful trip through the world of Breath of Fire 4. Either way, I'm still enjoying the game. I'm having a good time with it, and I hope you are too. So, thank y'all for watching. Wahoo!